The world's biggest furniture seller, Ikea, is increasing its prices by around 9% this year. The iconic Swedish retailer blamed higher costs caused by global supply chain issues. Ikea Group, which owns and operates most Ikea stores worldwide, said the increase in retail prices will help to offset significant transportation and raw material costs. It claimed that despite the increases in these costs during the pandemic, Ikea had managed to keep prices largely stable. As those costs continued to surge, the group said it could no longer absorb the damage to its bottom line. In a statement, Ikea Retail said, "Unfortunately now, for the first time since higher costs have begun to affect the global economy, we have to pass parts of those increased costs on to our customers." The statement went on to say the move will ensure Ikea's competitiveness and resilience, and that affordability will always be a cornerstone for them. UK newspaper The Guardian, which first reported the news, estimated that some prices have increased by as much as 50% since Christmas.